Welcome back, boys and girls. Today for math, we are going to focus on story problems again. And I actually decided this week, since story problems are now a review for you guys, that I would throw in some bigger numbers and some totals that may equal more than 10. They might equal teen numbers. I think you're ready for them. This is generally a first grade skill, as opposed to a kindergarten skill, but I'm seeing how well you guys are working on these story problems with these itty bitty numbers. So I'm making them just a little bit bigger. I think you guys are ready. If you want some extra practice with some smaller numbers or need that, I will be putting some more kindergarten oriented word problems as well as first grade oriented word problems in the work folder. So those will be there for you to kind of choose from depending on what level you and your parents feel you need to work on. But for now, I have a story problem I have written out. It will involve a teen number at some point. First, I want to read the problem to you. It says, Pinky eats 7 cans of food every week. Khaki eats 7 cans of food every week. How many cans of food do the two cats eat all together? So you guys know what all together means. All together means you're adding. We're adding how many cans of food both cats eat all together. Looks like Pinky eats 7 and Khaki eats 7. We have 2 cats. I'm just going to underline that. All that 2 is telling you is that we're just working with 2 addends here. We're adding all together, and we're working with 2 addends. There will be times pretty soon as we move up where you have more than 2 things that you're adding, maybe 3. We'll talk about that later on this week, but right now we're adding these 2 addends. We're adding the number of cans that Pinky eats, 7, the number of cans that Khaki eats, and 7. I want to solve this, and it is very important that you don't just put your number sentence down. Some of you may be able to just guess out of the top of your head what some of these problems mean, but you still need to show me. So this is Khaki's food. He eats 7 cans. I'm just going to draw 7 little ovals for his cans. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in my nice neat 5 group. And Pinky, here is her 7 cans. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I've got a 5 group and 2. I can, Pinky, your name needs to go down here. Alright. I need to add these 2 together. The easiest way to add these 2 together is to either just count on or count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Or I could add on, I know this is 7, so I could just count on from 7 like this. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Look at that. I got the same number both times. So I know that my total is 14. Now, I did not leave a lot of space on this board, but it is important at this point that we write a sentence explaining our answer, since that is something that the math challenge asks us to do. So I'm going to write, they eat 14 cans And I could, if I had more room, I could write they eat 14 cans a week. But this is fine. If I were grading this as student work, I would think that was fabulous, excellent work, and I would definitely put a gold star right up on this. So um, keep working. You have 2 problems a day, Monday through Thursday. You also have the math challenge problem, as well as I will be putting some extra story problems in the work folder for you to have as much practice as you need, different levels, different numbers, amounts, so that you can practice on your level and become story problem superstars. I will see you guys later. Goodbye, everyone.